Hey everybody, thanks for clicking through. I'm inviting you to take the YouTube Creator $100,000 challenge with me. So what is this? My goal is to turn the monthly revenue I make from a small YouTube channel that I run up into $100,000 through smart investing and savings. I'm a small YouTuber and I have a financial goal to grow the revenue from my YouTube channel all the way up into $100,000. So I think this is the perfect time for creators to invest in YouTube and also learn about the finance and stock market. I hope you'll follow along my journey as I chronicle this process with different strategies for building a YouTube channel, as well as smart investing and trading strategies along the way up into $100,000. So consider subscribing, join along with me on this quest to build my YouTube channel, gain financial success along the way, and we're gonna learn about investing and savings.